Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip tribe. Today, let's talk about St. Patrick's Day. I learned something new. If you have leftover hearts from Valentine's Day, maybe you had these that you put on vessels or something, if you take 3 of them, tape them together, they form a shamrock. I learned that at this late age in my life. Is that so cool? So, if you have hearts left over, tape 3 together. You can see I have different sizes. And they become a pattern for a shamrock, which you can then use to cut out. Taking a Galax leaf, already green, shamrock green, setting it together, and then just cut. Cutting out, following your pattern. Once it's cut out, you have the perfect shamrock. So starting with Valentine hearts, taping them together, creating a pattern, and then cutting out. And you can do it in so many different sizes. A perfect way to use Galax a little differently for the holiday. Now you know the pro technique. Have fun.